Okay, and the Bible solve with Leetcode number 62, unique parts. Basically the question is am I in maybe 3x2, a 3x2 matrix or a grid, right? Now am I a robot to be a robot in CRC? How many unique parts? How many different unique separate parts in a robot way? Obituma faswa, no there we see Hanum say. Right. Basically, that is the question now see robot at any point in time, obitumi a call. Let's see, where did they write it? The robot can move to the bottom right corner. The robot can only move either right at any point in time. They only move either down or right. In teachers a robot no obetuma call down and I say right at any point in time. Robot need no say want me connect, right? The robot can only move down or right. Which now I say obetuma call right and I say down. Any baby or channel like the robot want me connect, want me ban any, right? Want me connect, obetuma ban any man as obetuma conform, right? Into no. Can find say a array which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So robot need to say I say robot no say right and I say down one over to Marco. The only way a robot no be to me akwa say no. There's only one chance. There's only one unique way a robot no be to me akwa say, right? Boom, boom, boom. Obetuma a reach cells way na. There's only one way because see right in kwa. And a form has say so no. There's only one way obetuma reach cells never has say no, right? And see here 1. Those are the only ways. Now the robot no person hanum say there are 2 ways now, right? This one plus this one, by now 2 ways for the robot to come with Makwase no abase and as with Mabas, Bijinase, Babase no abase. 2 ways I'll be to me aquase. The same way mathematically in a robot no per se or quasi is this plus this. Is here 3 robot no per so 3 plus 1 4 3 4 plus 1 5 5 plus 1 6 6 plus 1 7, right? So robot no per se we drew us in as a persoba for ma 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 3 6 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 5 15 21. So my math near corrected, yeah. My math near corrected, yeah. I just say 21 plus 28, 21 plus 27, 28. In T. 28 unique ways for the robot to get here. And you can see that here, right? You can see that here. 28 unique ways for the robot to get to the finish line. Yeah, you all are saying. Because Omakase robot can only move up or down at any point, there's only one way. So person reaches cells now as is only one way. Well, cells no person has is very one way. But there's one thing that you can see. Say Hassan in a 1 1 1. You can see say person we are 1 plus we okay, no I say something like this. Anyway, in a way, right? Anyway, in a way, anyway, in a way. anyway, my way, anyway, my way, anyway, and my way. Same thing. Anyway, my way, 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 anyway, my way. Right. Into here starting with it, if we memorize the solution here and say here, we now here 1. Right. Rows 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Right. Into calculation be no. See a person find it. Maybe a second row now. There be something like the same column minus 1. Right. Basically, this is how we can represent each row. You can solve it using matrix, right? But if you want to maintain space, if you want to use an O of 1 space complexity, you can reduce it to just one single array and continuously updating the single array by adding the number here to this one. And then if you add the number here to this one, you get this. If you add the number here to this one, right? Wait where you get this. Wait where you get this. Wait where you get it. That is how we are going to represent that in the solution for you to see. Okay. There is a way to solve it using matrix, and maybe I will do another video about that. But a more optimized solution, and I'm about representing. So let's go and see how we can solve this. So first, let's memorize or cache the solution. First line, in a 1 1 1 1 1, right? And for each row in range, because you say 1 over the 1 m, and then for each column in range 1 to n, memo I is equal to memo call minus 1, and then we return the last elements of that array. So this should give us the solution of 28. Basically, this is the programmatic representation of all of this, except that we are not storing all of this in our response and then picking this one. We are just storing all of that in just one array, right? The no of 1 solution. So let's see if that works. Okay, so what happened here is the name I is not. Okay, there's no I, that is true. But the I say column. Unindented space. So I have double colons here. Yes. So basically, this is how you represent it in a programmatic way to solve this question. All right, let me know if you have any questions. What questions we are put in the chat, and then I will respond to it. Thank you. Bye-bye.